Your next customer might not be in your country. Imagine waking up to an order from Singapore, another from Dubai. A few hours later, somebody from UK wants to order your product too. Sounds exciting, right? But for many businesses, the excitement quickly turns into questions. Can I even accept international payments? Will customers be able to pay in their preferred payment method? Is the process too complicated? The good news is it doesn't have to be. With Paytm Payment Gateway Global Payments, businesses can accept international payments through single integration, making it easy to sell beyond borders without adding unnecessary complexity. Let's see how. Why global payments matter today? Going global is not just for large enterprises anymore. Today, a growing number of businesses are reaching customers across the world. Whether you're selling handmade products, software subscription, online courses, digital services, or luxury goods, your next customer could be sitting in another country. The challenge is not finding international customers. It's giving them simple and trusted payment way. Because if the customer is ready to buy but can't complete the payment, you have lost the opportunity before the sale even began. This is how Paytm PG simplifies global payments. Instead of setting up separate payment solutions for different markets, businesses can accept all international payment through single payment gateway. That means less operational complexity and a more seamless checkout experience for customers. As a business grows internationally, your payment experience grows with it, without requiring you to completely rebuild your checkout process. The result? You can focus on expanding your business while your payment infrastructure supports customers across the globe. Here are a few practical businesses use cases. Let's look at how this creates real business opportunities. Imagine you own a D2C skincare business. A creator featured your product and now you're getting orders from all over the country. Without the right payment setup, many of these customers might face a lot of trouble completing the purchase. By using Paytm Payment Gateway Global Payments, your business can accept international payments through a single integration, making it easier to serve customers beyond India as your brand grows globally. Now imagine you build a SaaS product where users are not limited to one city or one country. A customer signs up from Germany, another from Canada, another from UK. Every additional market represents new growth. By using Paytm Payment Gateway Global Payments, SaaS businesses can simplify payments for international customers, allowing them to grow and acquire new customers instead of managing multiple payment options. Think about a freelancer, consultant, or digital agencies working with clients around the world. Once the project is complete, getting paid should be the easiest part. By using Paytm Payment Gateway Global Payments, businesses and professionals can accept international payments from international clients through streamlined payment experience, making cross-border business much simpler. Many businesses assume going international means setting up a separate payment system, navigating complicated processes, and managing multiple integrations.